how to include the list of figures in tables. I have not included any figures or tables in my document so far, so we are going to do that. First, let us include some tables, like for example in the introduction part under doping of nitrides. Let me insert a table. And then remember that we enter the caption for the table at the top of the table. And as far as the figure is concerned, we enter the caption for the figure at the bottom of the figure. So I'm going to enter the caption for the table over here at the top. I click at the top of the table, then I go to References, click on Insert Caption. Over here in Options, we go for Table instead of Figure and click on OK. And then you can label this table like write down anything relevant to your work. You can include more number of tables in this document. I go to Insert, I enter another table. We can go back and forth in this document and like enter tables at different places. So I enter another table over here. Okay, go to the top of the table. And here I go to References and insert Caption, Table, and call it anything XYZ, right? Similarly over here, References, insert Caption. Okay, table 3. Okay, so as you can see that the numbering of the tables is automatically done. Like over here you can see this is table 1, and then this is table 2, and then this is table 3. Also we can insert another table. Then we go to References, insert Caption, table 1, numbering. You can you also have the option for numbering, so you can choose different numbering options from here. But I wanted to check one thing, like for example, so you can label it like this as well. Update the field. Insert caption, table 3 instead of table 3. Anyhow, but you can label them like this way. So we have included a few tables in our document, and now what we are going to do is we go to our list of tables. In the list of tables, we leave a space, and then we go to references, insert, click on insert table of figures, and then in this option click on table and click OK. So it has automatically included a list of table, and also you can see the page numbers for the table as well. Let us set the font type to Times New Roman. Okay, now let's move forward to the list of figures. So far we have not included any figures in this document. What we can do is we can include different figures as well in the document. Let me go to the introduction part once again, and let us add some figures into the document. So we've got some figures. Let me copy these figures, for example. We center align it, and then we go to references, insert caption. From options we select figure and click on OK. We go to home, we center align it. These are atomic force microscopy images of aluminum nitride films. Do the same for the rest of the figures as well. Go to references, insert caption, figure, go to home, center align it. We call it fabrication of devices. Go to the next figure, references, insert caption, OK, figure 3. Then center align it. One thing that I like to do is to not leave any space between the figure and its caption. So I do that. Another thing I like to do is give it a light gray background. So this gives a much better look to my figures. This is my figure number 3, and let's deal with the final figure now. Hit enter. Go to references, insert caption, click on OK. Go to home, center align it, remove the spacing, and then give it a light gray background. I hit Ctrl plus save to save all the changes, and now I go to the list of figures. Under the list of figures, I hit enter, leave a couple of spaces. Then I go to references once again, insert table of figures, and then from this list I select figure Click OK. And now this table is automatically updated with automatic numbering of the pages as well. So you can keep adding more number of figures in your document, and this is going to automatically update the figures for the list of figures for you. Similarly, now that we have added more stuff into the document, you can always go back to the table of contents and update the table, because now the page numbers would have changed. So you gotta do that at the end of making changes.